I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, the key word here, or one of the keywords, one of the clues that we have is the quantifier before the gap. Quantifiers always modify nouns of some kind, and here there is no noun that any is modifying, which means, or quantifying, which is why we've got to put in the noun here. And also we've got the preposition for as well, which is another clue for something. Generally the language pattern is for plus noun. So what is the noun that we need here? Flexibility. For question number 2, look at the language pattern that we've got here. It says, a man called Tim who has something for the design. He has what? What do we need here? Well, the only form of word that fits the gap here in terms of language pattern is a noun, which means that the answer that we need here is responsibility. For question number 3, 2 clues before the gap. First of all, we've got an adjective and we don't have the noun that adjective is modifying. And also before the adjective, we've got an article and we don't have the noun to which that article refers. So we need the noun for this gap. And the noun we need is technology. For question number 4, the key word here is the word after the gap, which is an adjective, involved. What modifies adjectives? Of course, adverbs do. So here, the answer that we need is personally. He himself is not actually personally involved. So adverb, adverb, adjective. For question number 5, we've got to have a look at the language beforehand. A team of what? Well, given the context and given what a team usually consists of, they consist of people. In other words, we need a personal noun of some kind. Now, team of suggests it's going to be a plural form as well. So what's our answer here? Artists. For question number 6, easy peasy. All we have to do is look before the gap and we can see a number of clues. First of all, we've got an article. An article refers to one noun, but there's no reason why it can't refer to another noun if those two nouns are joined by a conjunction. And if you've got a word form, a conjunction and a gap, the chances are that that gap is going to be exactly the same word form as the word which is connected by the conjunction. So here we need a noun of some kind. Now the noun before the gap is plans. It's a plural form, so let's use a plural noun here. The answer is decisions. For question number 7, here you're going to meet a language pattern which you're going to see time and time and time again with these word formation exercise. And that is find something plus adjective. In this case, it's find his work plus adjective, enjoyable. Question number 8. Before the gap we've got an article, after the gap we've got the noun to which that article refers, which means that we need an adjective in this gap. Now, here we've got a choice of 2 adjectives that we can form from the stem word. We can either say various, or we can say varying. Both absolutely fine.